Do you know it's actually easy and simple to do well in affiliate marketing? I've done it for, I think, now over 10 years. It's between 8 and 10 years. And you can become a master of affiliate marketing and master any form of marketing and sell any product or service. You see, if you want to learn how to become an affiliate marketer, this is for beginners or advanced people, and you want to do it well, there are 3 main things you must learn and follow in order to see results, in order to be able to sell any product or service in any industry or any niche. And here's what they are. So, number 1 is really important, because without this, your long-term game, your long-term success is going to be stinted and you're not going to do well. What is it? Number 1, you absolutely must build and sell and work with either a company or sell a product or service that is reliable, that will last for decades, that is of high quality, that is genuine, that will actually help people, that people will like, love, and use. Because if you don't build with a good company, or you don't build or sell a good product or service over time, you are going to lose customers, you're going to get chargebacks, and you're not going to be able to sell very many products and services and make very much money, because you're selling a product or service or selling from a company or for a company that isn't doing well, that isn't reputable, that people don't trust. So you need to find, number 1, first, in whatever industry or niche you want, the industry or niche most people put a lot more emphasis on. It doesn't matter what industry or niche you're in. What matters is that the company or products or services you are selling is reputable, they have good support, they have good products and services, and that it actually will help and be able to do the things that their product and services says they will do for the customers. When you find a good company, no matter your niche, no matter your industry, that does not matter. When you find a good company or a good product or service to sell that you can become an affiliate for, then you can move on to number 2. And number 2 is you must actually learn. I know this is not a video that people come to and go, I'm going to learn every single thing about affiliate marketing. No, because there is so much more that you don't understand, which is what I'm getting to. There's so much more you don't understand about affiliate marketing, about getting leads, about all of the parts of marketing that will actually make you successful, that you need to first master these 3 things. Then you can get more into details. So number 2 is you must learn the marketing and sales process. You must learn how ads work. You must learn how to attract a customer or attract someone to become a lead and be able to convert them into a customer. Because no matter what opportunity, no matter what affiliate marketing course you follow, no matter what anything you are taught or learned from anyone else, if you don't understand how marketing works, if you don't understand how the sales process works, if you don't understand how to gather attention, how to communicate to your leads, how to communicate to your customers, how to resell your customers, any of these things, you won't be successful no matter what affiliate marketing company or business or product or service you are selling. So number 1, you need a solid company, product, and service. Number 2, you need to understand how to sell that product or service while building your list and while knowing how to convert a lead into a customer and someone in your audience into a lead, then into a customer. Get it? Number 3 is also just as crucial, and without this, you'll never be able to scale. You'll never be able to reach 4, 5, 6, 7 figures a month, and you'll never be able to truly make good money. You might maybe do okay, but you'll never do well, and you won't probably ever profit. Once you do those 2 first things, the third thing is the key, the box, the Pandora's box, the thing that puts it all together. And that is being able to create a system where you are able to gather attention, convert that attention into a lead or an email subscriber, be able to communicate through emails or through text or through messages to that lead or to that subscriber, and convert them into a customer sale or some profit. If you do not understand how a funnel works, because that's what a funnel is, you need to research and learn so you can be able to build a funnel and build a process that brings someone from low interest to medium interest to high interest to wanting to buy to buying. And you need to be able to have this system in place, because it automates a lot of the work for you. It saves you time, it saves you energy, and it saves you money. So let's go through it all again, just so you understand exactly what you need to learn, research, and get into in order to truly be successful and learn step by step how to become extremely profitable with affiliate marketing. Number one, you need to build and sell products and services, or sell with a company that has good products, good support. The product and services actually help the customer with the wants and needs they have, or gets rid of their pain points. Number two, you need to understand the marketing process so that when, number three, you have a system in place, you know how to design it, make it, and create it so that it will actually get you profit, get you customers, and get you sales. Now, this is a lot for someone that's just learning and wants to become an affiliate marketing master, that wants to make money online. This is a lot of information. So what I have is a link in the description of this video that will actually walk you through all of these three fundamentals, because without a single one of these fundamentals, you will never make a cent, or you'll make very, very low amounts of money online. So you must, I'm telling you, you must, no matter what, no matter who you listen to, no matter who you learn from, you must understand and know how to execute these three fundamentals. And this system that I'm talking about teaches you all these fundamentals and walks you through step-by-step learning how they work while also making money in the process. So go ahead, if you're learning and want to just start making money online with affiliate marketing, you want a step-by-step process, you want to do well in the future, and as well, even if you're an expert, I highly suggest, even if you're a veteran in affiliate marketing, that you click on the link in the description of this video to access the system so you can learn truly the fundamentals to becoming an affiliate marketing master like myself. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate marketing. I also do consulting. I've earned a lot of money from there. I also do funnel and page design. I do everything. So I understand how this stuff works, and I want you to understand so you actually will see success. Unlike all the bullshit you see from people saying that, oh, there's just use this one-step system that's going to make you $1 million overnight, or you use this one thing and that's all you need. No, you need an all-encompassing knowledge. It's a lot of work, but that's how you actually become successful in anything. People who you see who take shortcuts, who want the easy way out, who do things that are one easy step to $1 million overnight, these things don't work. These people fail, and I don't want you to fail. Unlike everyone else you see on YouTube and everything else, I want you to actually succeed and see results. So you need to make sure you learn these three fundamentals no matter what, and I highly suggest, instead of researching and finding hundreds of other videos to learn, clicking on the link in the description of this video so you can actually be taught these three fundamentals and earn money in the process. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in another one very soon.